And right when you start seeing done-for-you online business platforms everywhere, DropCourse is one of those tools that promises fast results. But whether it's actually worth $49 per month or not depends on how you look at the full picture. Starting with what it does, DropCourse is essentially a platform that lets you resell pre-made online courses without creating your own content. You get access to a library of courses, landing pages, and marketing materials, so you can start selling almost immediately. And that's where the main appeal comes in. It's designed for beginners who don't want to spend months building a course from scratch. On top of that, it includes 25,000 plus pre-made videos, built-in AI assistants, and ready-to-use funnels, which makes it feel like a complete business in a box. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is the biggest talking point. DropCourse keeps it simple with a single plan at $49 per month, giving you access to everything without tiers. There's no free trial, which means you have to pay up front, although you can cancel anytime. Compared to other platforms, this pricing is mid-range, not too expensive, but not exactly cheap either, especially if you're not making sales yet. However, this is where hidden costs start to come in, and this is something many people overlook. While DropCourse claims you keep 100% of profits, you still need to spend on marketing, ads, and possibly tools like domains or branding, which can increase your monthly expenses significantly. Also, since many users are selling the same pre-made courses, competition can be high, making it harder to stand out. Looking at user feedback, reviews are generally positive about ease of use and content access, but there are also some concerns about course quality and saturation. Some users mention that while it's easy to start, actually making consistent income requires serious effort and marketing skills. So, when you connect everything together, the value really depends on your expectations. If you want a fast way to start an online course business without creating content, DropCourse can be useful. But if you expect passive income with minimal effort, that's where the reality doesn't match the hype. So in the end, DropCourse at $49 per month isn't necessarily a bad deal, but it's not a guaranteed success either. It works best for people willing to invest time in marketing and building an audience. And if you're not prepared for those extra efforts and costs, then that monthly fee can quickly start to feel less worth it. And that's where the final decision really comes together. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.